Hello and welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, welcome back and thank you for your ongoing support. We bring you greetings from outside the smallest church of America in Southeast Georgia, between Savannah, Georgia and Jacksonville, Florida, off of Interstate 95, exit 67, Riceboro, South Newport area. And so let's tap in with Spirit today and see what Spirit has to say. Nature provides so much energy. It's so vibrant here. If you take the time to get out in nature, you can hear the birds, you can see the trees, you can see the sky, and you can feel the ground beneath your feet. So many times we are indoors and we miss the liveliness of being outside. Outside, you've got flowers, you've got trees. We are in beautiful Southeast Georgia. Check out the greenery and the Spanish moss that is hanging from the trees. We have got to interact with that which is alive, because when we interact with that which is alive, we can get energy from God, the ultimate source. Yes, there are times when we are inside and we can get done what we need to get done. But there are also times when we need to get out in nature and we need to experience the energy that can only come from interacting with this beautiful butterfly. Come, butterfly. Come, butterfly. Come. I don't know if you can see the butterfly, but you can't interact with a butterfly inside. It is out in nature where things are alive with the sound of music, alive with the sound of life itself. So I say to you, get out in nature and experience the oneness with all of life. Because all things are connected. All living things are connected. We desire for you to come outside and play and interact with the energetic forces of nature.